Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Isaac here, and today we're diving into a topic that is important for anyone taking their very first step into the vast and amazing world of software engineering. I will be tackling a question that is common among most beginners, which is, where do I start? The good news is there's an abundance of programming courses out there, and I'm here to guide you through the best ones. So whether you're interested in web development or creating the next big app, there is a course tailored just for you. So get ready as we explore the top programming courses for beginners, because your coding journey is about to take off. With the resources I'm going to share with you in this video, that excuse of I don't know where to start from will be gone. Now, before I go on to reveal the courses, let's talk about the essential criteria for selecting the right programming course. When you're just starting out, you need a clear learning path. A clear learning path ensures you are not wandering aimlessly or going in cycles in your coding journey. It helps you stay focused so you're not jumping from one course to another. The right programming course leads you from the basics to the advanced concepts in a logical sequence. Imagine it as stepping stones, each one preparing you for the next and helping you build a solid foundation. With that in mind, you should look out for well-structured courses when you are starting out. Structured courses breaks down each complex concept into bit-sized modules and ensuring you grasp each one before moving forward. It also ensures real-world projects to reinforce theoretical knowledge. Structured courses use a framework approach. This will help in preventing you from getting overwhelmed and getting you through the complexities of coding. They are carefully crafted and designed for your success. Another factor you should consider is accessibility and affordability of that course. Accessibility is about the ease of use of the course platform, making sure it aligns with your learning goals. For affordability, there are both free and paid courses. Free courses, like some of the courses we will mention in this video, offer a budget-friendly entry point, making coding education accessible for everyone. They are perfect for dipping your toes in and discovering your passion. On the flip side, paid courses often provide deeper insights, additional resources, and sometimes even mentorship. It depends on how deep you want to go into programming. Another factor you need to consider when choosing a course is hands-on coding experience. Imagine learning to cook by only reading recipes but never setting foot in the kitchen. Coding is no different. Practical application is the secret sauce that transforms theoretical knowledge into real skills. Don't just learn about loops and conditionals. Challenge yourself to build a functioning program, which is possible if the course has a hands-on learning approach. This approach bridges the gap between knowing and doing, making sure you are not just a code reader but a code creator. Keep this criteria in mind and your future coding self will thank you for it. Now let's dive into the top 7 programming courses for beginners, and you will find a link to each course in the description of this video. Let's get started. Number 1 is Codecademy's Python course. Codecademy's Python course is designed specifically for beginners who are taking their very first steps into the programming world. The course is highly interactive and offers a hands-on approach to learning Python from scratch. Python, being a versatile and beginner-friendly language, makes it an excellent choice for those new to coding. Some of the key features of this course includes hands-on coding. You don't just read about Python, you write Python code right there on the platform. This hands-on approach ensures active engagement. Secondly, real-world projects. The course incorporates real-world projects, giving you a taste of how Python is used in practical scenarios. It goes beyond just understanding the syntax. You get to apply that knowledge to solve real coding challenges. This combination of interactive learning and real-world application sets Codecademy's Python course apart. This approach not only reinforces your understanding of Python, but also prepares you for actual coding scenarios you might encounter in the field. For anyone starting their coding journey, this course is a fantastic introduction to the world of Python programming. Number 2 on my list is Harvard CS50 Introduction to Computer Science. Harvard CS50 Introduction to Computer Science is a well-known, approved, and comprehensive online course designed to provide a solid foundation in computer science. Taught by Professor David Milan, the course covers a wide range of topics, making it an excellent starting point for beginners and a valuable refresher for those with some programming experience. The key features of this course includes diverse curriculum. CS50 covers programming languages like C, Python, and SQL. It also delves into web development, algorithms, and even an introduction to artificial intelligence. Another key feature of this course is that it has a problem-solving focus. The course places a strong emphasis on problem-solving and critical thinking, ensuring that students not only learn to code, but also develop the skills needed to tackle complex challenges. Another key feature is engaging lectures. Professor Melan's engaging and dynamic teaching style makes complex concepts accessible and enjoyable, fostering a positive and supportive learning environment. With Harvard CS50, you will get an immersive experience that has inspired and educated countless learners worldwide. If you are looking for a well-rounded introduction to computer science from one of the world's most prestigious universities, CS50 is a journey worth taking. Number 3 is Coursera's Java Programming and Software Engineering Fundamentals. Coursera's Java Programming and Software Engineering Fundamentals is a comprehensive course designed to introduce beginners to the world of Java programming. Java is a versatile and widely used programming language, making it an excellent choice for those aiming to build a strong foundation in software engineering. One of the key features of this course includes object-oriented programming. This course places a significant emphasis on teaching object-oriented programming, a model widely used in modern software development. Object-oriented programming is a powerful concept, and understanding it is necessary for building robust and scalable softwares. Another key feature is the coding challenges. You get to engage in coding challenges that are designed to test and strengthen your problem-solving skills, an important aspect of being an effective programmer. This course ensures that learners not only understand how to write Java code, but also comprehend the principles behind building modular and efficient software. This combination of theory and practical challenges makes it an excellent choice for those looking to become well-rounded Java programmers. Number 4 is Free Code Camps, JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structures. The JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structure course by FreeCodeCamp is a comprehensive learning path tailored for those looking to deepen their understanding of JavaScript and delve into fundamental concepts like algorithm and data structures. JavaScript is a versatile language, and this course focuses on honing your skills in solving problems and manipulating data efficiently. The key features of this course includes project-based learning. The course allows a project-based learning approach, allowing you to apply your knowledge through practical coding exercises and challenges. Another feature is algorithmic problem solving. You will learn the art of problem solving with algorithms. The course guides you through various algorithmic challenges, enhancing your logical thinking and coding skills. You will gain a solid understanding of essential data structures such as arrays, linked lists, stacks, and queues. Mastery of these structures is foundational to efficient coding. This course is a great resource if you are seeking to enhance your JavaScript skills and develop a deeper understanding of algorithms and data structures. And at number 5 is the Odin Project. The Odin Project is an open source full stack curriculum that provides a free and accessible pathway for learners to become proficient web developers. Founded on the principle of self-directed learning, it focuses on practical hands-on projects to ensure an in-depth understanding of web development. The key features of this course includes number 1, a full stack curriculum. The Odin Project guides learners through a comprehensive full stack development journey, covering everything from HTML to CSS to JavaScript, Node.js, and databases. Another key feature is project-centric learning. The curriculum is project-focused, encouraging learners to build real-world applications at each stage. This approach solidifies understanding and provides a portfolio of work. Number 3 is community support. The Odin Project boasts of a vibrant and supportive community where you engage with fellow learners, share experiences, and seek assistance when needed. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, the Odin Project will equip you with skills needed for a successful career in web development through its flexible and practical learning path. And at number 6 is Full Stack Open. The Full Stack Open course offered by the University of Helsinki is a comprehensive deep dive into full stack development. Some of the key features of this course includes front-end and back-end projects. This course gives a full experience by guiding you through both front-end and back-end development and ensures you graduate with a well-rounded skill set. Another key feature is database integration. Understanding how to integrate and interact with databases is a fundamental skill for full-stack developers. The course places a strong emphasis on database integration, preparing you for real-world application development. The Full-Stack Open course is more than just a series of coding exercises. It's a journey through the entire process of building web applications. So if you are looking for a comprehensive and hands-on approach to mastering the entire web development stack, this course is an excellent choice for you. Finally, at number 7 is Udemy's Master the Coding Interview, Data Structures plus Algorithms. This course is a focused and intensive course designed to prepare learners for technical interviews in the field of software development. It is crucial to not only acquire coding skills, but also to equip yourself for the professional world, gaining insights into the details of coding interviews and assessment. This course has been designed to empower you, ensuring that you are well prepared for the challenges ahead and ultimately helping you excel and secure your dream job. Hosted on Udemy, the course aims to sharpen problem-solving skills and deepen understanding of fundamental data structures and algorithms commonly encountered in coding interviews. The key features of this course includes interview-driven curriculum. The course structure is tailored around common coding interview questions, providing targeted preparation for technical interviews conducted by top tech companies. Another feature is problem-solving strategies. Emphasis is placed on teaching effective strategies for tackling algorithmic problems and enhancing problem-solving skills that are essential for successful technical interviews. Another key feature of this course is hands-on practice. Through a series of coding challenges and exercises, learners get hands-on practice in implementing data structures and algorithms, reinforcing theoretical knowledge with practical application. For those aspiring to excel in technical interviews and land positions at lead tech companies, this Udemy course is a valuable resource. It equips learners with the skills and confidence needed to ace coding interviews. As you get started with your coding journey into the coding world, remember that every line of code you write is a step toward building something amazing. The right course for you is the one that aligns with your unique goals and aspirations. Whether you are aiming to become a data scientist, front-end, back-end, or full-stack engineer, each course I have discussed has its own strengths and specializations. Choose a path that not only teaches you the skills you need, but also excites and motivates your learning. Programming is a journey, and the course you select is your trusted guide. So take your time, explore, and find the one that resonates with your passion and career ambitions. Remember, the coding community is vast and supportive. Don't hesitate to reach out, ask questions, and connect with fellow learners. You can also join a community of like-minded individuals who share the same passion for creating and solving problems through code. I hope you found the insights valuable and that you are now equipped with the knowledge to begin your coding journey. Before you go, I would love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts, questions, or your own course recommendations in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on programming, technology, and the ever-evolving world of coding, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you will not only stay updated on my latest releases, but also become part of a community passionate about continuous learning and growth. So keep coding, keep creating, and most importantly, keep the curiosity alive. Until next time, bye for now.